we're currently engaged on a project with Ysgol y Preseli. We have 10 of their, either 10 pupils coming down here following an agricultural engineering course. Now obviously with the culture of the Welsh language being of prime importance to Preseli and their pupils, we've actually provided these students with Welsh-speaking staff, Welsh medium resources, and these young pupils are actually having a terrific experience. Our bilingual champion and Welsh language coordinator also support these pupils when they're up here in the LRC, so that they're continuously in an environment where Welsh is being spoken.